a buckle.
It does look like a buckle.
That was on it, I think.
We got this
I didn't break
piece.
it.
Uh-oh. And then... Ooh. I like it. Is this the best buckle we ever found? I can't... There's decoration on it. Oh, I dropped the thing. Yeah, it's old. Could be a lantern piece.
You dropped something?
Yeah, I dropped. It's got decorations on it. I think, and this was with it. That's why it leads me to believe it's a buckle. Okay, I like this. I think we need a little toothbrush, Chuck. What is that a picture of? Is that a dragon? I believe it's a dragon.